At MPH Personal Training, we don't judge you on your starting point, whether you're a beginner to the gym or you are advanced. What we do at MPH is offer a one-to-one exclusive personal training experience. From our personal training studio, our private gym, or through our online coaching, we help clients stay accountable, motivated, and supported in an environment that's created to help you achieve success with your health and fitness goals.
So since coming to MPH, I've lost 6 kilograms of body fat, which is around 5% of my body fat percentage. And I've also lost 7 centimeters of my navel.
Since I came to MPH, I achieved a 25 kilo drop in my weight, also a 14% body fat drop.
I've lost 10 kilos since I first started in May, and my body fat percentage has gone down quite a bit as well. And I've seen a lot of improvements with my strength as well as my endurance.
The big thing I came here for was to transform my body, and I think my composition has changed a lot.
What I love about MPH is just the culture that's embedded here. I'm really supported by all the other coaches. It's just a really fostering and nurturing environment with all the other clients as well. So I really enjoy coming here.
We help dial in your nutrition habits. We create custom and tailored workout programs. We guide you with your exercise technique and lifestyle, so you get the best return when you invest with My Performance Health. What sets MPH apart in the personal training industry compared to the rest is that we have a track record of thousands of body transformations, hundreds of 5-star Google reviews, and we are one of the top leading personal training transformation centers in all of Australia. If you are looking for a personal training team that takes your goals seriously and has a proven track record of success, look no further than MPH. We take personal ownership of your goal, keep you accountable, supported and motivated with our proven systems to make sure you get the fastest results in minimum time possible. Book a discovery call in with our team so we can see what we can do for you today.